Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you all would be fine. In today's class we are going to talk about can, could, may, might, must. These are modal auxiliary and it is our 5th class of English grammar. It is part of verb like modal auxiliary. So in today's class we will cover these modal auxiliary and I hope you would get idea about these modal auxiliary. You would get idea that how to use them, what are the uses of these modal auxiliary. So it's a request to subscribe the channel and watch this video fully if you really want to get full idea about these modal auxiliary. So let's get started. So the first one that we have is uses of can. What are the uses of can? So it is used for general ability, for offer, for request, and for possibility. I haven't written possibility, but it is also used for possibility. Okay, what is the structure of the sentence to make is, first of all, you have to write subject. Subject means a doer of an action, who performs an action, a worker of an action, or simply we say that subject is noun or pronoun. Then we use can, and then we use first form of the verb, and then object. Object means receiver of an action. So how does it is used for general ability? But keep in mind general ability that is and present. For example, what's your ability? My ability, I can speak 6 languages. I can drive a car. I can create a document. I can write an essay. I can teach you English language. I can teach you grammar. So they are my abilities that I can do. So what's your ability? You should ask yourself. Okay, if I want to change it into negative, so what would be the negative of I can speak 6 languages? So I cannot speak 6 languages. Can I speak 6 languages? It was interrogative. I can drive a car. I cannot drive a car. Can I drive a car? How does it use for offer? Can I help you? Most of the time we give our help to other. So can I give you my pen? Can I give you my laptop if you need? So these are offered that we offer to others. And what is request? And request, we need help from other people. For example, can you help me please? Can you help me please? Can you write application for me? Can you fill this application for me? Can you give me glass of water? So they all use as a request. But keep in mind, request and offer, they are informally used. Informally, they are not that much formal as we use and could. So keep in mind. Okay, how does it use for possibility? For example, smoking can cause cancer, or smoking can cause lungs cancer, or driving in a high speed can cause accidents. So mean they could be used for possibility. The next one that we have, uses of could. Now keep in mind, could is considered past form of can. Like I have written here past. So the structure of could is same. I could sing a song when I was child, but not now. When I was child, daytime, I was able to sing a song, but right now I am not able. Okay, the next example that I have written here, I could play cricket when I was not disabled. I was able to play. cricket, but right now I am not able to play cricket. Why? Because I am disabled, but daytime I was able. So we use it for general ability. How does it use for permission? Ask for permission, more polite, but in can, that is not that much polite. For example, can I use your laptop, please? So what there we do not that much use please, and that is not polite, that is informal. But here it is polite and formal. Could I use your laptop, please? Could I borrow your pen, please? So they or for permission. Request, like whenever you request someone to help you, to do you a favor. Could you pass me the salt, please? Could you open the door, please? So they all request. Possibility, how does it use for possibility? But possibility in the past, keep in mind. For example, be careful, you could have broken your leg. Be careful, you could have broken your leg. Next time you be careful, mean there was some chances that you could have broken your leg, but you got safe. So next time you have to careful. Be careful. You could have made good marks if you were a regular student. You could have made, तुम बना सकते थे अच्छे मार्क्स अगर आप रेगुलर स्टूडेंट होते. Got it? So I hope you would have got the idea about could. If you have problems, so you can simply write it in comment box, and I can answer you of those questions. Okay. For example, yeah, suggestion. We could go to, for example, someone asks you that, asks you for suggestions, so you can give suggestion. We could go to Peshawar if you want. We could play cricket instead of playing on mobile. So we use it for suggestion. I hope you would have got idea. If you have any question, you can ask me. The next one, uses of may and might. Give and ask for permission. Give and especially may is used for permission. Most of the time when we were kids, even right now, whenever we want to enter some offices and there are teachers, professors, CEO, so we ask permission. May I come in, sir? May I drink water? May I open the door? So they all use for permission. You can also answer with may. If you are asked with may, so you have to answer with may. Yes, you may drink water, you may open the door. So likewise you can answer express wishes. Now you would be confused that here we have used may and first, so then we have used question mark or sign up interrogation, but here and the first, like they are interrogative, we ask question, and may here is also in the beginning of the sentence, so then why we use exclamation mark. Keep in mind our full stop. And wishes, we do not or we never ever use question mark because we express wishes, and you do not need to use sign up interrogation here like this. No, this is not here, so you shouldn't use such things were here. You should simply use or put comma after the ending of the sentence. May the new year bring you happiness, or may you live long, may Allah bless you with a beautiful wife. Like this you can also make sentences. Or possibility, it may rain tomorrow. For example, you come out of the room and you see it is cloudy, so you make assumption about tomorrow. But now keep in mind, might and may. Now keep in mind, if there is 70% chances, how much? 70%. So then we would use may. For example, it is too cloudy, and then we make a statement that it may rain tomorrow because look at the weather. So if there is like that is not too much cloudy weather, so in that time you can say that I'm gonna write it 40% chances. It would be 40% chances, but in May there is 70% chances. So these things must be clear. It might rain tomorrow. Mean you are not that much sure, but you are making an assumption from yourself, and that is not that much cloudy weather, so you are using might. Or for example, if your friends tell you I might come, it means that he's not interested to come. There is 40% chances that he comes, but if he says that I may come, so it means there is 70% chances that he comes. So these things must be clear with you. Got it? Okay, the next one is uses of must. Instead of must, up to some extent we can also use have to. So it is used for obligation. You must wear a seat belt when you drive, and here is the same formula we would apply: subject plus must plus first form of verb and then object. So it is a structure or formula. You must wear a seat belt when you drive. You must take care of yourself when you fight. So here is the obligation. You are telling about obligation to someone. So in that case, you have to use must. You have to use must. Okay. Have to is used for external. Got it? Strong recommendation. Whenever you giving strong recommendation to someone, so in that case we use we must get together. We must get together tonight. You must buy things from London Mall. So you are giving strong recommendation to someone that you must do that thing. So they were lecture. Yeah, you can also use have to. For example, you have to write your homework. You have to go to America, Washington DC. So these kind of sentence can be used as obligation. After have, we use to first form of verb. And like for example, I say that I have to attend this class. I have to attend this class. But if I want to make it negative, so then I would use simple present. I do not have to. I do not have to attend this class. Do I have to attend this class? But if the subject is third, it is like he, she, it's like he has to go to Peshawar. After he, she, it and singular noun, we use has to. He has to go to Peshawar. He does not have to. Then has would be changed into have to. So it is the case you must take care of. And so it was today's lecture. If you have question regarding it, so you can ask me, and hopefully you would have enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe our channel and press and hit the icon button that you bell icon button that you get our latest video.